Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to find a grid reference in geography. First, understand that a grid reference is a numerical system used to pinpoint locations on a map. These references are based on a series of horizontal and vertical lines that form a grid over the map. We'll break down the process into simple steps, starting with the horizontal lines, known as eastings, and then moving to the vertical lines, called northings. This method ensures precise location identification. To begin, let's focus on eastings. These are the vertical lines on your map, numbered along the bottom or top edge. You read them from left to right. Find the grid line immediately to the left of the feature you want to locate. This gives you the first 2 digits of your reference. Then, mentally divide the square between that line and the next into 10 equal parts. Estimate how many of these tenths your feature is across, adding this as the 3rd digit. Next, we'll determine the northings. These are the horizontal lines on your map, numbered along the left or right edge. You read them from the bottom upwards. Locate the grid line immediately below the feature you're trying to find. This provides the 4th and 5th digits of your reference. Similar to eastings, mentally divide the square between that line and the one above it into 10 equal parts. Estimate how many of these tenths your feature is up, adding this as the 6th digit. Finally, to construct your full 6-figure grid reference, simply combine the 3 easting digits you found with the 3 northing digits. Remember, it's crucial to always state the easting numbers first, followed by the northing numbers. For example, if your easting was 1, 2, 3 and your northing was 4, 5, 6, your full reference would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. With a little practice, you'll quickly become proficient at accurately locating any point on a map.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.